Probably one of the most common exercises following a total knee replacement is called a heel slide. It can be done assisted or unassisted, but basically what we're gonna do, this is the side that we're assuming was replaced. I would flex the knee and slide my heel toward my bottom, and then I would slide it back down. Yes, we're bending and extending the knee with this exercise. The friction of the foot on the bed or whatever surface you're on is going to provide some resistance. If I have the ability to lift the leg and I don't have the ability to work against the friction, what I could do is I could lift from the hip. I could bend the knee in as far as the incision and the post-surgical wound will allow, and then I would lift and put it back down. So it's an up and in, up and out. But the way the exercise is traditionally taught is to slide in, slide out. You can use your hands to assist. Sometimes this might make it a little bit easier. You could use a strap around the foot to help pull it into this knee flex position. This would be repeated 20 repetitions, 3 to 4 times a day.